Hey all, I will explain and answer some questions about teachers and teaching in the learning activities. The term teaching is a widely known and this term has been used for a long time. Understanding teaching in general is a complex activity and does not just convey information from the teachers to the students, but contains many actions that must be taken of their learning outcomes are as expected. Then, what is the teacher's role as a teacher in terms of guiding students to learn? Teachers must strive so that the learning outcomes obtained are effective and efficient. Mastery of didactic principles, which are the general standards in teaching, is an obligation for teachers. But the success of teaching and learning is not only determined by that alone, meaning that didactic principles do not always add to the success of teaching without being supported by other factors: the teacher's personality, the student's personality, and the school environment. Strive for the best possible atmosphere so that the students can learn well. Teachers must guide in the learning activities and try to create good learning situation and condition, namely by adding students learning methods. Okay, then how important is the grades of rapport to students? Actually, grades of ranking can cause discrimination or in the children. Why? When a child gets good grades, then suddenly the child will be called a smart child. Conversely, if the child gets a bad grade, then he will be called a stupid child. This is what actually has an impact or the psychology uh, as a students. Okay, then organizing activities. The means is designing or organizing controlled appropriate learning activities during small group or individual teaching activities. The teacher acts as an organizing who organize and monitor activities from beginning to end. Before the teacher asks students to work in groups or work individually, they must be already know what the and how they should do the task. Number two, use a variety of activities as needed. Varying activities that include the provision of speech, equipment, and how to carry it. Varying activities, for example, in the form of observation, discussion, or of observation, solving problems, making craft together, or learning by yourself from books. Each type of activity must be prepared for the resources that need to be used, the way of working, the rules need to be followed, the place of work, and the allocation of time.